Hi guys, in this video we're looking at the area of non-right angled triangles, and the reason, well, you'll be wondering, well, I know what the area of a triangle is, it's base times height divided by 2, but in this context there is no height, so then how do you work out the area of a triangle without that piece of information? We have an angle, we have maybe two sides, and therefore then you can work out the area. Now, if you don't have certain pieces of information, then you use the sine rule or the cosine rule to work out what that is, and then move forward to work out what the area is. So let's use the context of, say, this is 7, 9, and we've got an angle of 120 degrees, okay? And so this is C, and this is A, and we have angle B. So looking at the three options, we've got this general formula, and usually the focus would just be the first one. But if you need to rearrange everything, then relative to what you have, it's going to be the same thing. You have the three pieces of information, two sides, one angle, and having all three forms jotted down is going to help you I guess, make sure that you are using the correct pieces of information. Okay, so we've got A, we've got C, and we've got angle B. Let's put that in the formula. So half of 9 times 7 times sine of 120. So 63, so 63 divided by 2 multiplied by sine of 120, and we're looking at the area. Let's put that in our calculator. Okay, so sine of 120, close brackets, is equal to that, and then 31.5 times 31.5 is equal to 27.3. And let's just hypothetically say that these were in meters, then we're looking at meters squared. Okay, but then what would happen if you have a non-right angled triangle, but you don't have an angle, you just have three sides? So this is where you need to, I guess, delve into the Heron's formula, which is something else again, to work out the area of a non-right angled triangle, given that you have three sides to the triangle, but no angles to work with. Okay, so here we have the formula, which is, again, something that I encourage you to put into your notebooks as reference. Make sure that you've recorded it or you jotted down accurately. Again, it's all substitution. So we got S out, it's the square root of everything on the inside here, which is S multiplied by S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. Now, to work out what S is, it is going to be half of A plus B plus C. Okay, and so here we have C, here we have A, and here we have B. Okay, so let's work out what S is equal to first. So S is equal to half of 6 plus 8 plus 4, which is 18. So 18 divided by 2, S is equal to 9. So if we are to put it into this formula, so the area is going to be the square root of 9 outside of 9 minus 6, and then 9 minus 8, and then 9 minus 4. Okay, so 9 times 3 times 1 times 5, and we want the square root of that. Okay, so 27 times 1 is 27, and then 27 times 5, we're looking at 135. Okay, so the area is the square root of 135. Put that in the calculator. There we go. So 11.62. So 11.62, and in this case, let's say it was centimeters and centimeters and centimeters, then we've got 11.62 centimeters squared as our area. Okay, so there we have the area of non-right angled triangles, given that you don't have the height. One in the context where you have two sides and an angle, and another one where you have all three sides and no angles. Okay, hopefully that helps you. If you've got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, see you in the next video.